Tech investors, here's what's about to revolutionize your portfolio. Dual cell LLCDs. The dual cell LCD market is on fire. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting, it's projected to hit USD 2,044.2 million by 2030. So what's driving this explosive growth? It's all about demand for high-quality displays with unbeatable image clarity, color accuracy and contrast. Dual-cell LCDs deliver superior contrast ratios, making them the go-to choice for premium displays across various industries. Especially in the automotive sector, they're using these advanced screens for dashboard displays, infotainment systems, and even outdoor applications. Why? Because they perform brilliantly even in bright sunlight. And let's talk energy efficiency. Dual-cell LCDs offer better power consumption control, blocking more light from the backlight system. This makes them both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Region-wise, Asia-Pacific is leading the market thanks to high-tech manufacturing, while North America is catching up with the rise of electric vehicles. Key players, Samsung Display, LG Display, and AU Optronics are at the forefront, expanding their reach to maintain market leadership. In conclusion, the dual-cell LCD market is bursting with opportunities. Stay ahead in this dynamic market. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.